The naval power race is heating up and China is leading the charge. Well, the country is now building its fourth aircraft carrier at the shipyard in Dalian, Liaoning Province, a move that experts say is aimed at dominating the key sea routes around the globe. So currently, China already has two aircraft carriers, right? The Liaoning and the Shandong. Both are built by China and commissioned into the Navy in 2019. Now, China's third carrier, the Fujian, is about to join the fleet. Now, this ship is its most advanced yet, equipped with electromagnet aircraft launch system, technology that allows fighter jets to take off and land much faster and more effectively. That is kind of similar to the system used by US aircraft carrier USS General R. Ford. Chinese fighter jets like J-15T and J-35 along with Kongjing 600 have already been tested on Fujian, proving its readiness for high-intensity operation in the South China Sea. Now, here's the game changer, ladies and gentlemen. While the first three carriers run on conventional fuel, reports suggest that China's fourth aircraft carrier could be nuclear-powered. Basically, that means it could stay at the sea for months without refueling, giving China unprecedented reach and dominance in the South China Sea. In fact, a spokesperson from Chinese Defense Ministry, Zhang, hasn't confirmed the details, but last year, let me tell you, there was a guy named Yang. He is a political commissioner of the PLA Navy. He hinted that world would soon know if the new carrier will indeed be nuclear powered or not. Now, this development is sending shock waves across the global navies. The US is reportedly working on two new carriers, while the Indian Navy is speeding up its own modernized plan to maintain a presence in the Indian Ocean. Now, here analysts say that China's new fleet could shift the balance of naval power in the Asian region and even beyond, challenging the US and its allies while expanding Beijing's influence over critical trade routes. In the end, the sea are becoming a new arena for global power struggle, and China is clearly betting on advanced technology and nuclear power to stay ahead. So the big question is this: can the US and India match China's growing naval dominance, or is the Pacific slipping out of balance?